Hello, Moshi Monster fans. Today I got PortalMasterReecey. Hey. And we're gonna open spooky pumpkin.
Mine is blue.
And mine is orange.
So this is coming.
This is the front. It got the pumpkin face. That is a bit creepy. Scaring me out. And this is the back.
But let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it. It includes 4 glow-in-the-dark Moshlings.
I found an owl. Oh my god.
Not yet.
Oh.
Look at the face.
Face is gonna eat you.
So let's open it. Look, it still looks cool when you open it. Look at it.
And his head is dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I have a bug. Clutch. And cherry bomb and nipper.
Yep, he got nipper, cherry bomb, clutch, and bug. And I got also cherry bomb. So let's put them together. Nipper. Let's put them together.
Hey, I have a nipper.
Bug. Same together.
Bug.
Oh, but they're exactly same. These two are different. And then I got Tiamo, the love heart.
I don't know.
This is what they look like. They look incredible. I can't wait until I see them in the dark. So we're gonna end this video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.